Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's create a heavenly sweet treat. Manga Nool Ada, a delightful fusion of soft, delicate strands and rich, flavorful filling. Made with naturally sweet, juicy mangoes and aromatic ingredients. This traditional delicacy is bursting with tropical goodness, irresistible texture, and mouth-watering taste that will leave you craving more in every bite. Take for ripe mangoes, beautifully sweet with no sun as pure tropical goodness. Clean the mangoes well, then carefully take out the ripe, golden flesh. Place the soft mango pulp into a grinding jar, ready to be ground into a smooth paste. Grind it into a silky smooth, luscious paste. Transfer 100 grams approximately of this rich mango puree into a bowl. Add 2 cups of rice flour to it. Add salt to taste. Mix everything together until well combined. If needed, adjust the texture. Add more rice flour if loose, or a splash of hot water to make it warm. Then knead into a smooth, soft dough. Mix the mixture with your palms, bringing it together into a soft, pliable dough with a smooth, traditional texture. Now, let's prepare the irresistible filling. Heat a pan and add half a glass of water. Once it starts boiling, add 2 pieces of crushed jaggery. Stir gently and let it melt into a rich syrup. Add 100 grams of freshly shredded coconut. Saute it until the aroma fills your kitchen. Add 50 grams of crushed cashews, 40 grams of crushed almonds, 40 grams of dried grapes, 40 grams of dates. Mix everything together until it turns thick, glossy, and delicious. Your mouth-watering filling is ready. Now let's shape the Ada. Grease an idea up and make her or string, hopper press. Knead the dough once more to soften it. Then take portions and fill with the prepared mango dough, ensuring a smooth, traditional texture for shaping. Press the dough onto a fresh banana leaf, spreading it evenly into a neat, traditional pattern with soft, delicate strokes. Gently place the coconut-jaggery filling on one side of the prepared Ada base. Gently fold the banana leaf in half, sealing the filling. Repeat the same for all. Now place the prepared Ada in a steamer, gently arranged over boiling water, and steam slowly until cooked through. Soft, aromatic, and perfectly done. Steam for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed until perfectly cooked. Once ready, gently take them out. Your soft, fragrant, juicy Manga Nool Ada is ready to serve. Enjoy every bite. And there you have it, soft, fragrant Manga Nool Ada, filled with rich, sweet goodness. A perfect blend of juicy mango flavor and traditional taste, ready to melt in your mouth. Serve it warm. Enjoy every bite and share this delightful treat with your loved ones. Happy cooking! Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.